Good day, everyone. I am Orville P. Cagas, and I will be the one to report the preparing for the procurement of infrastructure project, and to be followed by the procurement planning to be reported by Mariel Abayon, preparation of the bidding documents by Queenie Calonsad, and the conduct of the pre-procurement conference for the Rose Aheno. So preparing for the infrastructure project. So it means you are getting everything ready before officially hiring a contractor to build a project, for like example like a road, building, and a bridge. So this preparation involves planning the project, setting the budget, designing what needs to be built, and creating and designing a clear set of requirements, and ensuring all the legal and regulatory approved are in place. So, procurement planning is a general concern for all kinds of government procurement. So, this is the process of outlining what needs to be bought and when and how. So, for the government project, it helps or ensure that all necessary goods and services or infrastructures are acquired in time and cost effective. So, for the preparing makes for higher efficiency and efficacy. So, the proper preparation ensures that procurement is done smoothly and successfully. So, preparing for the procurement basically involves three activities. So, the first one is the procurement planning. Procurement planning is this is where you to decide or what you need to buy or when and how. For example, is this is the government office want to build a new school. So they would plan for the construction materials and the timeline and the budget. So the second one is the preparation of the bidding documents. So after planning, you create detailed documents and that explain the project requirements, rules, and evaluation criteria. So, the third one is the conduct of the pre-procurement conference. So, this is a meeting held before the actual bidding starts. So, this includes project stakeholders to ensure everyone is on the same page. So for the procurement planning entails ensuring that detailed engineering investigation are conducted, plans for procurement and linked to budget, preparing the PPMP and consolidating the PPMPS into the APP. So procurement planning means making sure everything is well prepared before starting the purchasing processes. So this includes conducting detailed studies of the project. So like for example is the site survey for a building and ensuring the plan fits within the available budget. So the creating a project procurement management plan to outline what needs to be bought. And next one is the PPPMP is then transformed into the bidding documents which ought to contain all the information on a prospective bidder needs to prepare its bid. So therefore, in the preparing the bidding documents, one has ensure that this accurate and comprehensively reflect the main component of the PPMP. So the next one is the pre-procurement conference is the forum where all officials of the procuring entity involved in the project meet to discuss all aspects of the said project to determine the readiness of the procuring entity to undertake the procurement. So the PPMP is turned into bidding documents that provide all details a bidder needs to make an offer, or when creating this document is crucial to include everything from all the PPMP to ensure bidders fully understand the project requirements. So the next one